If Chrome keeps crashing on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes you can try right away to get Google Chrome working properly again. We'll go step by step, starting with the easiest solution first, and then moving into a few settings changes that fix most Chrome crash problems for good. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech fixes, and let's get straight into it. First, restart your PC. This might sound basic, but a quick restart can clear temporary memory issues, stuck background processes, and small system glitches that often cause Chrome to freeze or crash. Before you do anything else, close Chrome completely, restart your computer, and then open Chrome again to see if the problem is gone. If Chrome is still crashing, the next thing to try is clearing the cache and cookies. Over time, Chrome stores temporary files that can become corrupted and cause loading issues or random crashes. To do this, open Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. From here, select Cached Images and Files, and also select Cookies and other site data. Then click Delete Data. Once that finishes, restart Chrome and check if it opens normally. If the issue continues, try disabling hardware acceleration. Hardware acceleration can help Chrome run smoother, but on some Windows systems, it can actually cause instability or crashing. To change this, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, and then click Settings. In the left menu or search area, go to System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, restart Chrome so the change fully applies. This fix helps a lot when the browser crashes because of graphics driver conflicts. Another important step is updating Chrome. Sometimes crashes happen simply because you're using an outdated version with bugs that have already been fixed. To update it, click the three dots again, hover over Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version if one is available. When it's done, relaunch the browser and test it again. Keeping Chrome updated is one of the best ways to prevent future crashes. If Chrome is still giving you trouble, you can reset Chrome settings back to their original defaults. This won't delete your Google account, but it will reset things like startup settings, search engine changes, pinned tabs, and other custom preferences that may be causing problems. To do this, click the three dots, go to Settings, scroll down, and click Reset Settings. Then choose Restore Settings to their original defaults, and finally click Reset Settings to confirm. After the reset, open Chrome again and see if the crashing has stopped. At this point, one of these methods should have fixed the problem. In most cases, restarting the PC, clearing cache and cookies, disabling hardware acceleration, updating Chrome, or resetting the browser settings is enough to solve Chrome crashing on Windows. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. And if Chrome still isn't working properly after trying these steps, let me know in the comments and I'll help you with more advanced fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.